We understand whenever commercial cleaning and janitorial service owners start to research website design or SEO, it can become a rabbit hole you never come out of. I know and have been involved in thousands of these discussions over the years in social media. It always devolves into debates over hyper-technical details, and the small business owners want no part of it. You don't need to know all that stuff. What's important for business owners is to understand basic concepts. E equals expertise, authority, trust. These are basic concepts to understand and embrace before investing in any SEO service. Expertise is simply you, the contractor, sharing your knowledge of the service you are selling. Basically, you are providing evidence you know how to do this stuff. This can be done through text, images, or video. Best case is all three. Authority comes from people acknowledging that expertise. First source of authority comes from either local or national media sources, especially any source with a live person editing. Second is from the general public watching your videos or reading your blogs. If thousands or millions of people are experiencing your content, you must know the topic, in Google's eyes. Third is from industry sources like a trade association or winning a local award. Trust. This is a huge topic for Google Maps specifically, but also search in general. Trust comes from real people ultimately. The biggest way is through customer reviews. Social media is also a big part of trust because they are dealing with your company on a regular basis or are current clients.